Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. Um, Era. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank our Almighty God for a very successful event at walang na-injure sa atin, slight mga scratches lang. And of course, the event would not be possible without the support of our Regional Vice President, Sir Daniel Aceron. And of course, the sports committee, sa patience nila, sumagot sa lahat ng aming request, sila Ma'am Aiza and Sir Alvin. And of course, I would like to take the opportunity to thank all the financial support and moral support from Ma'am May Dizon. Nagbigay sila talaga ng financial sa amin, and Ma'am Happy, all the way, naging constant caller ko na siya. Si Sir Kalin, si Ma'am Aubrey Asisa Balindong, si Sir Tony, si Ma'am Remia Dakot, si Doc Iki, for your financial support. Siyempre, hindi rin magkukumpleto lahat yung task namin dahil lagi sinasabi ko sa mga kasama ko na hindi, kahit anong galing namin, kung walang teamwork, hindi siya magsasucess. So, yung mga coordinators ko from basketball team, si Sir Chippy Yakapin. From volleyball team, our MVP, ang ating Eliza Valdez, si Ma'am Charo Sagol. Grabe, binigay mo talaga, you nailed it. And of course, yung sa ating nanalo na Miss Sports Best, si Ma'am Nikki G. Ang galing ng pagkasagot niya and talaga yung stage presence niya. And of course, si Sir Jimbo Costan, who represented as the Mr. Hera. And of course, for the badminton team, si Sir Jayman, si Sir Kalin for winning the champion, the men's division. And sila nila Ma'am Snooki ang nag-lead for the badminton team. And for the cheerleader, Cheer and Yell, it's a group effort. Actually, it was choreographed by Iris and sung by Dax. And of course, the special games, videographer and editing was by Ma'am Carmen and Carmeline and Ma'am Diane. And of course, for the logistics na inassign ko si Ma'am Wiza, pasensya na, ipapasalamatan ko sila dahil talaga nag-contribute po sila dito. Ma'am Wiza, Marie, MM, and of course, for our, what you call this, glam team, si Ma'am Nikki, siya po ang nag-lead nun. And for food distribution, si Ma'am Rizalyn. And for the attendance, si Dax. And then for the medic, si Doc Inky. So, what else? Kung may nakalimutan mo ako, thank you very much sa lahat ng effort nyo. Sabi nga, you joined, you listened to me. Sabi ko, to achieve the goal to win as one. So, again, thank you very much. The best team ever. Team Hera!